Hey guys, today, guess what I got? So, you guys might not actually know this, but in school holidays, I bought an RC car. And this RC car is really good, and I just got it back from getting fixed. So, yeah, it got fixed because, it stopped, say you're going up a hill in your car, okay? What would you do if your motor just stopped? Cut out. Done. What would you do? You'd send it to get fixed, wouldn't you? So that's what mine wouldn't do. You could get a cardboard box like this, just going up steep as steep. It'd just crawl up it. But no, you put your pinky finger in front of it, it wouldn't go over it. If you put your pinky over a car, would it roll over it? Of course it would. It's a car. It's meant to. It's meant to roll over things. But anyway, yeah, it just got sent back from getting fixed. This is it. Right here. It is a Toyota Hilux. Alright. So you got your good old fashioned snorkel right there. Bull bar. Now you're probably wondering, this is cool. Where's the other one? Lost it. So that's gone. And I've also got an RC boat that I cannot show you because that's actually up at my nan's place. But what I was thinking about doing once I got it back was actually getting a trailer for it. And if I got a trailer for it, I could tow the boat around and make more videos on my YouTube, more about this RC car, and going into lakes and rivers with my boat and this RC car right here, because I actually know a good river that I probably could get my boat up, but my boat's not that fast, okay? It's just imagine you had a tinny, alright? And you got a tinny motor and put it onto a sailboat. Doesn't go fast, does it? That's the same thing with my boat. It's really bad. It doesn't go that fast. But the RC car does actually go a good solid 15 k's an hour, I think. Now, if you don't know what kilometers an hour is to miles per hour, like if you're American, I'll ask Google right now. Hey Google, 15 kilometers per hour to miles per hour.
50 kilometers per hour is equal to 31.069
No.
miles per hour.
Hey Google, 15 kilometers per hour to miles per hour.
15 kilometers per hour is equivalent to 9.
So it's 9 kilometers, 9.3 miles per hour. So that's how fast it goes in miles per hour, if you were wondering. And yeah, the bull bar's pretty solid. You've also got a little mini repair box, which flicks up to where the battery goes. And then you've got a spare tire here on the back, but you need a screwdriver to get it out. So make sure when you if you buy this car, make sure you bring a screwdriver everywhere you go off-roading. It's pretty handy. But I also have a old crawler thing that my brother wrecked when we were younger. And I got tires off that, kept it for spare parts. Got the tires off that. And, yeah, these are the tires off that. I'll show a comparison right here. So this is big tire compared to miniature tire. Okay? So yeah. And it's also got a tray bed it's got really good suspension, so it needs to like pop out here. So yeah. And that's it. If you want more of this content, and just subscribe. And also, if you want me to get at that trailer and boat, subscribe, and I will be doing a video on my boat when I go up to my grandma's. Alright, peace out.